Hi folks, this is Rick working on his next panel. I'm identifying the switches. Got the number for the switch and I'm trying to get the piece of tape on it without getting the tape on upside down. My trimmers are acting up. I should quit before I cut myself with something. Yeah, that's sideways. I should quit. Let me show you what's going on. See, I've got some of the switches in the panel. I've got them identified. The panel will go in the box. Here's the box. So this is what it will look like when it's put together and I get it stuffed. This is my, the antennas will come in through here and go out to the radios. This is what you don't see when projects are being done. You either see the end of the project, but you don't see the beginning of it. Here's the schematic for it, the RF, and here's the diodes. Since I found the decal for the panel, I got the decal put on, and the panel was drilled, and so I got the holes cut out, and now I'm getting it stuffed, and I'm having fun here. Thanks for watching. Be safe, be warm. Bye now. Oh, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Be safe, be warm.